Hey everyone, and welcome back to PopCulture Pulse, your daily dose of what's trending.
Right.
I'm excited for today's show.
Yeah, me too.
We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, and man, oh man,
Cryptocurrency never sleeps.
there are some serious fireworks happening in the market.
That's right. We're seeing some major move.
For sure, XRP is like the star of the show right now.
Yeah, it's been grabbing headlines for sure.
A 40% surge,
Can you believe that?
hitting a 65-month high.
I mean, that's unheard of.
It's crazy.
People are going wild.
I know, right?
So let's break this down.
Yeah, let's get into it. What's fueling this XRP rocket?
Well, one thing that's really got people talking is the whales. You know, those major holders with massive amounts of XRP.
Right, the ones with the deep pockets.
Exactly. And their behavior can be a big clue about where the market might be headed.
Yeah, they're like the trendsetters.
Kind of like whales in the ocean.
So what are they doing? Are they holding or are they selling?
Well, they've actually been adding to their XRP holdings, which is pretty interesting.
Really?
Yeah. These whale and shark wallets, we call them, they're holding more XRP than we've seen since June 2018.
Wow. That's a pretty big sign of confidence, wouldn't you say?
It definitely is. When these big investors make a move, it's worth paying attention.
Yeah, they usually have access to a lot more info than the average person.
Exactly. They've got their finger on the pulse, so to speak.
Makes sense. So we're all supposed to jump on the XRP bandwagon now?
Well, I wouldn't say that, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Okay, so XRP is soaring. But what about Bitcoin? It's been kind of quiet lately, hasn't it?
Yeah, Bitcoin's been taking a bit of a breather.
A little dip.
Yeah, it dipped to around $88,000.
And I'm guessing those hawkish remarks from the Fed aren't helping.
No, not really.
Every time they talk about raising interest rates, the market freaks out a little.
True, when interest rates go up, riskier assets like Bitcoin can seem less appealing.
Yeah, it makes people think twice.
But, you know, even with the dip, a lot of analysts are still super bullish on Bitcoin long term.
Yeah, they're saying it could hit $120,000 soon.
Exactly. So it's a bit of a tug of war right now.
So should we be buying or selling Bitcoin?
Honestly, it's impossible to say for sure.
Yeah, cryptocurrency is always a gamble.
Exactly, but that's part of the excitement.
Okay, so XRP is surging. Bitcoin is chilling, but there's another big wild card we haven't even talked about yet.
Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Donald Trump?
The Trump factor.
Exactly.
He's back in the headlines, and some people are saying he's got some big plans for cryptocurrency.
Yeah, there are those rumors about a potential Bitcoin reserve and a move away from gold.
That's right. It's got everyone buzzing.
I mean, if that actually happened, it would be huge.
Absolutely. It would send shockwaves through the global financial system.
Gold has always been the safe haven asset.
It's like the king of stability.
But if Trump really does ditch gold for Bitcoin, it would be a massive endorsement of cryptocurrency.
It would legitimize it in a way we haven't seen before.
It's almost too crazy to imagine.
But hey, this is the world of cryptocurrency. Anything is possible.
True.
So yeah, keep an eye on the Trump situation because it could really shake things up.
For sure, we'll be following it closely.
And we'll keep you updated.
Absolutely. But now let's shift gears a bit and talk about something a little more lighthearted.
Sounds good.
Meme coins.
Oh yeah, the Wild West of cryptocurrency.
They're unpredictable. They're volatile. They're often based on jokes. But somehow they become a force to be reckoned with.
It's mind-boggling.
I know, right? And one meme coin in particular has been on a roller coaster ride lately.
Pepe
You got it soared after its Coinbase listing.
hit a $10 billion market cap.
Briefly.
Yeah, it was a fleeting moment of glory.
And then, boom, a sharp dip.
Back down to earth.
It's enough to make your head spin.
It really is.
But it raises a big question.
Are meme coins here to stay, or are they just a passing fad?
That's the million-dollar question, right?
It is, and we'll have to explore that further in the next part of our show.
Stay tuned, folks, because we're just getting warmed up.
There's much more to come. Welcome back to Pop Culture Pulse.
So before the break, we were talking about meme coins and that crazy Pepe roller coaster.
Yeah, it's like the Wild West out there.
It really is, makes you wonder, are meme coins actually worth anything, or are they just a bunch of hype?
That's the big question, isn't it?
I mean, 1 minute they're soaring, the next they're crashing.
Exactly. It's all about capturing that viral moment, tapping into something that resonates with the online community.
But how do you predict that? How do you know which meme coin is going to be the next big thing?
Well, you can't really predict it. It's more like trying to catch lightning in a bottle.
Okay, so if you're trying to navigate this crazy crypto world, how do you separate the winners from the losers?
That's where you need a healthy dose of skepticism and a lot of research.
Research, like what kind of research?
You gotta look beyond the memes and the hype. You gotta understand the underlying technology, who's behind the project, what problem does it solve.
So basically, don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is.
Exactly. Do your due diligence. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, timing the market is almost impossible.
So what's the best strategy then?
A lot of experts recommend a long-term approach. Find projects you believe in and hold on to them.
So like, don't try to get rich quick, think long term.
Exactly. Have faith in the technology and its potential.
Okay, that makes sense. But with all the hype and speculation, it can be hard to know what to believe.
Yeah, there's a lot of noise out there.
So what are some red flags to watch out for?
One big one is a lack of transparency. If the team behind a project is anonymous or secretive, that's a bad sign.
Makes sense. What else?
Also, be wary of projects that rely too heavily on hype and marketing without any substance to back it up.
So basically, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Exactly. You need to look beyond the flashy website and the promises of overnight riches.
All right, so let's switch gears for a minute and talk about XRP.
Okay.
It's been on an impressive run lately, hitting a multi-year high.
Yeah, it's been a strong performer.
So what's driving this surge, and is it sustainable?
Well, a few things are contributing to XRP's success. Increased institutional adoption, positive developments in its legal battles, and a growing belief in its potential as a cross-border payment solution.
So unlike some meme coins, XRP actually has real-world use cases.
Exactly. It's not just hype and speculation.
It's been around for a while, weathered some storms, and now it seems to be emerging as a more mature and resilient player.
Right. It's a good reminder that the crypto space is more than just meme coins and overnight sensations.
There are real projects out there with real potential.
Absolutely.
So how do we navigate this vast and ever-changing landscape? Where do we go to find reliable information?
There are a lot of great resources out there. Industry publications like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph, research reports from firms like Masari and Delphi Digital, and online communities where experienced investors share their insights.
So basically, do your research, compare different perspectives, and form your own informed opinion.
Exactly. Critical thinking and healthy skepticism are essential in this space.
It's like anything else in life. Don't believe everything you read online.
That's right.
We've covered a lot of ground today, from the meme coin frenzy to the potential of established cryptocurrencies like XRP.
Yeah, it's been a wild ride.
And it's clear that the crypto world is full of opportunities and challenges.
For sure.
But it's also an incredibly exciting space to be a part of.
Absolutely. It's the future of finance.
So stay informed, stay curious, and stay tuned to the final part of our crypto deep dive.
We'll be right back.
Welcome back to PopCulture Pulse. We've been on quite the crypto journey, haven't we?
We have. It's been a whirlwind tour of the crypto landscape, from the highs of XRP to the meme coin madness and the potential impact of, major political figures.
Yeah, it's amazing how much ground we've covered. The regulatory landscape, the speculation surrounding Trump and Bitcoin, it's all intertwined.
It is. It's like this constantly evolving ecosystem, where innovation and uncertainty are always dancing together.
Yeah, it's kind of like trying to predict the weather.
Yeah.
You can see the patterns, but there are always surprises.
Exactly. And that's why it's so important to stay adaptable in the crypto world. You got to be ready for anything.
So for those of us who are still trying to wrap our heads around all this, what are some key takeaways?
Well, I think the biggest one is that cryptocurrency is here to stay. It's not going anywhere.
It's not just a fad.
No, it's a fundamental shift in the way we think about finance and technology.
Oh, it's like the internet in the early days.
Exactly. People were skeptical at first, but look at it now.
So you're saying we should all be buying Bitcoin?
Not necessarily. It's important to be cautious, do your research, and only invest what you can afford to lose.
Right. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
No, it's about the long game, understanding the technology and believing in its potential.
And remember, cryptocurrency is more than just an investment.
Yeah, it's a movement. It's about empowering individuals, creating more transparent systems.
It's about changing the world.
Exactly.
Well said. Well said. It's been an incredible journey exploring the world of cryptocurrency with you.
I've enjoyed it.
We've learned about the risks, the rewards, and the incredible potential of this revolutionary technology.
And we've just scratched the surface.
That's right. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and who knows what the future holds.
The possibilities are endless.
And that brings us to the end of our crypto deep dive. Thanks for joining us on Pop Culture Pulse. We'll see you next time.